When I was a kid, I loved to play with Hot Wheels toy cars, like this. I recently got a hold of my collection of die-cast cars and a new idea came to mind. Why not 3D print a Hot Wheels city that is scaled to the cars with different roads and buildings? Hello and welcome to the Tech Sensor channel. For the project I will be using this desk to build the city on. The desk can hold a total of 52 tiles to give room for a good street layout. I started designing a modular system that allows me to place the buildings and roads in several different configurations. This is what I came up with. The modular plates measure 15 by 15 centimeters or around 6 by 6 inches, so it can print on a normal sized 3D printer. The road plate has a width that is designed to hold a road which can hold 2 cars and a sidewalk on either side. You can connect the road and building plates using the dovetail joints. These have a small clearance so that they will fit nicely in the bottom inserts. The black printed piece is a base plate which will be used for buildings and then connected to the roads with dovetail joints. As you can see, I will be using the same dovetail joints again to connect everything together. I am currently working on different roads in Fusion 360 so that the next update will be about roads. Everything will be painted to give the city some color, as it is cheaper than using colored filament. I am printing this in white PLA Plus and white normal PLA. What do you think about this new project? Do you have any suggestions or feedback? Let me know, and if you like this, you can subscribe to follow the progress of the project. Stay tuned for more updates and I will see you later.